guys, today we're going to do a quick unboxing of the DJI Avata 2. I'm going to go ahead and open the box and I'm going to show you all the components. This is a Fly More combo which includes 3 batteries. Let's go ahead and open the box. Inside the box we're going to go ahead and find our drone carrying bag. This is the carrying bag right here. It's completely squared. Okay. And let's go ahead and open it. Alright, well, this is a lot of accessories here. Okay, so I'm going to start with the batteries. Okay, these right here are the batteries. Okay, pretty thin. These are 2 of the 3 batteries included. We have the brand new one, DJI RC3. Look at this, this is amazing. It's just the remote, and this actually detects your motion. Okay, so you can fly with ease. Pretty cool, huh? It also includes a wristband right here. Nice. What else do we have over here? We have the manual, a sticker right there. Here is like a pad for the goggles. Let's go ahead and unbag it. This is a USB-A female connector to a USB-C connector. We have 4 propellers right here, 4 extra propellers. We have a C2C cable. Okay, this is for charging everything. Even the charger right here for the batteries, it is USB-C. We are getting to the most exciting part right here. We have, let's see, we have the brand new DJI Goggles 3. These are amazing. This part moves. This is like a battery pack, and you can actually strap this to your head. These are pretty cool. Finally, our DJI Avata 2. It's released this 2024. Very cool drone. Look, this is my hand and it fits the palm of my hand. It is kind of small, but it's the way it's supposed to be. It's an FPV. This is the battery. This is where the battery goes. Nice. Okay, there we go. That's the lens right there. Propellers. Sensor right there for landing. This is pretty cool. And these are all the components that come with the DJI Avata 2 with the Fly More combo. I thank you very much for watching and see you on the next video.